Hello everyone. Today I have made potato rice which are very delicious and very simple to prepare. They're just as tasty to eat as they are easy to make. They are healthy and very beneficial for everyone, both children and adults. This potato pulao rice prepared very simple spices which we can also call potato pulao or extremely delicious. Trust me, the pulao version is truly very tasty. Here I have taken 1 kg of rice and soaked it well in water. You should soak the rice for a maximum of 1 hour. Even soaking it for half an hour is sufficient. Here I have taken 2 large onions and chopped them. Onions are very good for our health. They are rich in many essential nutrients and beneficial compounds. Onion contains vitamin C, vitamin B6 and have a very good nutrients for us. After then, here I have chicken, ginger and finely chopped it very well. Here now I have chicken, 3 tomatoes and when you add them to the pot with chopping, they cook very well and soft very nicely. Tomatoes is very beneficial for health. It helps improve digestion and our immune system is an excellent addition to the healthy diet. Here also cut green chilies with single cut. I had garlic stored in freezer for emergency use. Since I did not have much time, I added the frozen garlic directly from the freezer. You can also peel, chop and freezing garlic this way, so you can use it quickly whatever you are in hurry. Here I have taken 2 large potatoes, peeled them and I will cut them in julienne style. I will keep the pieces a bit bigger because they are going into the rice, so a lightly large size work best. Potatoes are the rock star of the all vegetables. No dish feel complete without them. Here I have also washed the rice again thoroughly and set it aside. So here I have turned on the flame and placed the pan on it. I will use 1 cup of oil in it and then we will add the onions. The onions should not be browned too much, just lightly saute them, just like we do with other recipes. So the onions have reached the color we wanted. We only needed them lightly browned, no more than that. Now we will add the remaining ingredients, which included green chilies, chopped ginger, chopped tomatoes and chopped garlic. All these ingredients will go into the onions and we will lightly fry them as well. These are all ingredients very beneficial for our health. The all ingredients are frying in the oil and change their color. Now we will add the spices. For the spices I have added salt and red chili only, no other spices. Only these 2 spices will be added and no others because this is very simple recipe. Now whole spices will be added: star anise, cinnamon, cloves, 2 tablespoons of cumin and black cardamom. All these whole spices will go into our tempering and their taste will be amazing because nothing artificial has been added. Everything is completely natural and very healthy. In our spices, we only have salt and red chili, and we will use just these for the tempering. At the same time, we will add a little water gradually so that the tempering does not stick on to the bottom but roasts nicely. Now here we will add our beloved potatoes cut in julienne style and roast them very nicely as well. Their taste will be amazing. Believe me, the aroma is very nice. Look at their texture and color. You can see how perfectly they are tempering. Potatoes are full for carbohydrate and that are very beneficial. As soon as we feel the potatoes are roasted well, we will add the water for the rice. Usually we need to add double the amount of water for rice, but always add it lightly less than that because you have soaked the rice for half an hour or an hour beforehand. So, such as our rice grains never stick together, adding a little less water is a great trick to make the rice turn out perfectly. The water for our rice starting boiling, so we'll let it boil for 1 minute and then we will add the drained rice. Here you need to pay attention to an important point. Make sure to drain the washed rice properly so that no extra water goes in with it. If water goes in with the rice, there's a risk that the rice grains will stick together, so please be careful about that all. Here we have added all the rice, and you need to keep in mind one more thing, that check the water at the stage. If the salt is less, you can adjust it now. So make sure that the spices you add are balanced. If needed, you can add a little more salt to boiling water, but do not add extra red chili or any other spices, only salt if necessary. Here I am going to make raita, and in raita I have added mint, coriander and one chili only. As you see all things in jug, I will add some water in it and blend it well. So here the ingredients for our raita are blended very well. Now we will add it to the yogurt and blend it very properly. This way our healthy and delicious raita will be ready. Here our green yogurt is ready. Now here our rice is also ready for steaming, and I have placed a cloth cover the lid properly before putting it on it. You should give the rice maximum of 10 minutes on steaming, or at most 15 minutes. Do not keep it on steaming for longer time, otherwise the rice grains may stick together. As you can see, our rice has turned out and beautifully look. The color is perfect and aroma is amazing. All the rice grains are perfectly separate and fluffy. None of the grains are sticking to each other. You can see amazing rice. Look at how nice and perfectly fluffy the grains are here. Here our potatoes have also cooked perfectly, and everything has dried just right now. So it's very delicious and so healthy. Now we will serve them on a dish. The rice has turned out so delicious that just looking at it makes me hungry. And as you can see, everything is perfectly cooked and ready. If you also want to enjoy such recipes, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and show your love and support please. Until I bring a new recipe, Allah Hafiz. Please keep me in your prayers and in your good words. Your love and support is very important for me. Tata, bye, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.